Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to today's MSET class physics. So the chapter is kinematics first year. Okay, so this question was asked last year, 9th September 2020, shift 1. Okay, so what is the question here? A ball is dropped from a bridge that is 45-meter above the water. It falls directly into a boat which is moving with constant velocity. The boat is 12 meters away from the point of impact when the ball is dropped. The speed of the boat is, four options are given here. Take g, small g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so this can be the figure here. So this is the image here. So here a ball is dropped from a bridge that is 45 meter above the water, and it falls directly into a boat. It is 12 meter away from the point of impact. So this is the point of impact here. So this is 45 meter, this distance is 12 meter. So what is the speed of the boat? We have to find out the speed of the boat. Okay, now for this ball, so see here, time taken, solution, time taken by ball to cover 45 meter is equal time taken by boat to cover 12 meters. So both the times are equal, that's why it falls directly into the boat. Okay, so for this ball we have to take time is equal to square root of 2h by g. Square root of 2h by g is equal to, here we have to take distance by speed. Time is equal, for this boat we have to take distance by speed. So square root of 2h by g is equal distance by speed. Let the speed be s here. Distance means 12 by s. Okay, so square root of 2 into h means here 45 by 10 is equal 12 by s. So 90 by 10 is equal 12 by s. So 90 by 10 means 9. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 12 by s. 3s is equal to 12 and s is equal to 12 by 3. 4 meter per second. So C is the right answer. This is the right answer. So what is the speed of the boat? 4 meter per second. In this way, so we have to solve the arrive at the solution here. Time taken by ball is equal time taken by boat. Right? Okay. Now, so have a look at the second problem here. Now the second problem. A planet is moving in a circular orbit. It completes two revolutions in 360 days. What is its angular frequency? What is its angular frequency? So planet completes two rounds in 360 days. It was asked same 9 September, same 2020 shift 1. Planet completes two rounds in 360 days. Two rounds means one round means 2 pi. Two rounds means 2 into 2 pi. So radians in 360 days. So angular frequency is equal to angle by time. So angle is here 4 pi. 4 pi by time means here 360 days in days. So 4 into 3.14 by 360. So 4 in 4 by 360. 314 by 100. So here 10 to the power of minus 2. The answer is given in 10 to the power minus 2. That's why. So 4 into 314 by 360 into 100. 314 by 4 nines are here, 90 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 314 by 90 means 9 approximately, that is called 3.1, 3.5. Okay, 9 5 are 45, 9 3 are 27 into 4, 27 plus 4, 31. 31.5 means, so this is approximately equal to 314. Okay, so 1.5 no, 2.5 no, here 4.5 means these three won't match here. That's why in this, so from the answers we can go in the reverse direction. So in this way also we can easily guess the answer. Okay, right. Now come to the third one, last one for today's class. For a particle executing uniform circular motion, so the relationship between velocity and acceleration. Okay, for a particle executing uniform circular motion, so the particle moving in a circular motion, okay, uniform circular motion can be shown in this way. So from this figure, from this image, it is very clear that velocity of a particle acts along the tangent and acceleration acts towards the center of the circle. Okay, velocity, this is acceleration. So velocity is transverse and acceleration is radial. Acceleration is radial in nature. So that is the relationship. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. For this kind of solutions and problems, please keep watching my videos. I will make So many more videos in the coming days also for the benefit of, for the welfare of the, okay, students, MSET aspirants. Please keep watching. We'll meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.